Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download the Adobe Scan app for creating PDF files. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate and tap the Play Store icon on your device. This is your gateway to downloading all Android applications, including Adobe Scan. The Play Store icon is typically found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the Play Store opens, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Search to access the store's search functionality. This will allow you to quickly find the specific app you're looking for among millions of available applications. After tapping Search, you'll notice a search bar appears at the top of your screen. Tap on this search bar to activate your keyboard. This is where you'll enter the name of the app you want to download. Now type Adobe Scan into the search bar. As you type, you might see some suggestions appear below, but make sure you're searching for the exact app name. Adobe Scan is specifically designed for scanning documents, receipts, whiteboards, and other physical materials, then converting them into high-quality PDF files. This makes it incredibly useful for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to digitize paper documents quickly. Once you've typed in the search term, you'll see the Adobe Scan application appear in the search results. Tap on the Adobe Scan app listing to open its dedicated page. This page will show you more details about the app, including screenshots, user reviews, and a description of its features. On the apps page, you'll see an Install button prominently displayed. Go ahead and tap this button to begin the download and installation process. The button may briefly change to show the download progress, which is completely normal. Now, you'll need to wait a few moments while the installation completes. The time this takes depends on your internet connection speed and your device's performance. During this time, the Play Store is downloading the app files and installing them on your device. You'll see a progress indicator showing how much of the installation is complete. Once the process finishes, the Install button will change to Open, indicating that Adobe Scan is now ready to use on your device. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded Adobe Scan and can now start creating PDF files from your scanned documents. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.